and this video is about making bonsais, presented by Bird PJs Inc. This is called a trailing juniper. It only costs $10 at the plant store. You'll be able to make at least 2 bonsais with it. Okay, so we're watering this.
We're taking it out of the pot.
We're taking this bonsai out of the pot and repotting it.
And then we're going to separate the branches.
Yeah.
And see how many stems there are. Because these guys have a lot of different stems. Okay, that's one. That stem goes to that plant. So we're looking for this trailing one. See? That makes a really pretty bonsai. So you got like 2 different plants in here. And now this is the hard part. You have to rip them apart.
Okay, so this is a traditional Japanese pot. Uzatani, Japan. It says right here, and its holes are pretty big. That's why you have to add some netting to it. So you can use like any vegetable bag. Cut the netting until it fits exactly in. Just like so. So now you'll need some wire for this part, and you're going to turn this pot upside down and put them through both holes and the netting. Just like that. The wire that we just placed here will hold the roots of the bonsai in place. So the next step is you're going to add pumice. This adds space so the water can soak in. So now it should look like this once your pumice is all covered. And now this is the tricky part. You might want to wash your hands after this before moving on to the next step. You're going to take the bonsai you've chosen and place it the direct way the pot is. Okay, so first you're gonna twist the wires together, and then you're gonna wrap it around this little trunk you see there. Okay, so this wire, take the first shaping wire, and you take it through that little twisted wire right there.
Okay, got it.
And you push through, and then once you've got it all pushed through, then you pull it and you wrap it around the trunk.
Because you're trying to make it straight, right?
And you're trying to make it so super straight, and depending on the shape you want your bonsai to be, then you can wire twist it to it and add a little more dirt if you need to.
And then here's the first
And then
branch wire.
Here's the first branch wire.
Up here.
Up here and around which branches you want to bend into different places. Bonsai note. To make a good bonsai, the trunk of the bonsai needs to be able to bend still. So now here's what you're going to do. You're going to first wrap the wire around the branches you want to bend. Now, once they're all covered in wire, you're going to bend it into place, just like so. Try not to make the wire cover the whole entire tree because it could hurt the tree.
It's always good to anchor the wire on the trunk. And another bonsai rule is you do 2 branches with 1 wire, so it's more stable.
I think I'm going to bend this branch to the side, like that. If you might want to wash your hands before moving on to the next steps, as I always say, you're going to get some rock materials. So you want to start with the biggest rock you can find. And also, if you want to give your tree a sort of fancy look, then you can add different colors of stones. If you don't have them, that's fine. You can buy them at a stone market. Okay.
So basically, what you want is, like, if a tree is really old, it grows up like this, and then when it gets snow, the snow bends the branches down. So we're going to try to, so the more you start doing that, like have it go up and then down with the wire, then it starts to look miniature if you do it. This kind of juniper is really flexible, and the trunk is really soft, so you can pretty much do anything you want. Oops.
I think I added a little too many
rocks. Okay, now another thing.
You want to just dump them on here?
Another beautiful principle in bonsai design is to have a trail in one direction.
Or the students.
Not principle. Not that kind. An idea. Oh man, so many rocks. Holy moly. Okay.
I'm gonna just take these little scissors. Oh no, I'm gonna take these big scissors.
Now, see how it's clumpy here? So we can do a lot of trimming in here. Like, just look for these parts that are clumping it up. And then you can reveal, if you reveal the limb a little bit, then it looks more like a big tree.
and now, if you want to have moss grow around your bonsai, that would be really cool. Then you could take this moss seed and take some out. Might be a little hard. And sprinkle it all around. And that's how you make a bonsai. And it's very heavy, just so you know. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. And by the way, it's my birthday today.
Yay!
Yay!
Now do some dabbing.